Hey everybody, welcome to a WP in 1 month video tip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a separate WordPress site that syncs to your Medium blog, whether you post to WordPress or to Medium. So you have like a two-way sync going on here. I'm making this in light of the recent news that Medium is laying off about a third of their employees and they're changing their business plan. I have a Medium blog and I decided that, well, it's about time for me to own my information. I still want to have the Medium blog, but I want to make sure that I have a good backup somewhere else just in case the worst for Medium happens. So today I'm going to show you how to be able to publish on your WordPress blog and then send it to Medium and send it from Medium to your WordPress blog. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is just take a walk through some of the resources I have open here. All right, the first tab I have here is the RSS feeds of publications and profiles. I will link this in the description, but depending on how your Medium account is configured, your RSS feed will be different, and we're going to need the RSS feed URL in order to make the two-way syncing work properly. So we have that tab open. Like I said, it's linked in the description, so you can reference it there. The other thing we have up is my Medium account settings page. We're going to need to create a integration token, and I'll explain that more in a little bit. We have the WordPress plugins page open. We have the WordPress site that we'll be using to sync back and forth. And then we have the Medium publication that I will be syncing to the WordPress site. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to install the two plugins that we need in order to make this two-way syncing work. The first is the Medium plugin that's actually created by Medium. All right, so it's called Medium and it's by a Medium corporation. So we will install this. The next plugin that we're going to look for is one that will take an RSS feed and convert each entry into a post in WordPress. So to find that plugin, we're going to search for Feed WordPress, all one word. You'll see that a plugin called Feed WordPress by Charles Johnson shows up, and we're going to install that and activate it. All right, so now you'll see that our Feed WordPress plugin is activated. We have a new section called Syndication here. And before we move on, we're going to activate the Medium plugin. What the Medium plugin does is for each author on the WordPress site, you can have the posts that they write syndicate or sync to a Medium blog. So let's cover that one first. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Users, Your Profile, since this is going to be for the posts that we write on the WordPress site. Once we get to the Your Profile page, we'll scroll down and we will see a new section for a set of options for Medium. The first thing that the plugin's asking us for is an integration token. We can get that from our Medium settings page, which I pointed out earlier. So we'll head over there. And what we'll do is we will generate an integration token. So we'll first put in a description and click integration token, get integration token. And now we have an integration token here. So we'll copy and paste it into our WordPress site. The rest of the settings will keep the same. We want any public posts to go over to Medium. We want it to be all rights reserved. And then a few other settings that we don't really have to worry about. So we'll click Update Profile. And the last thing we want to do here, so once the page refreshes, our integration token is added, and now our blog is associated with a Medium account. We can now choose a cross-post publication. Now, if you're just publishing directly to your Medium profile, you don't need to do this. But I have a couple of publications on my Medium account, and I want to specifically sync the WP in 1 month publication. So I'm going to choose that from the list, and I'm going to click Update Profile. Now, when we create a new post, we'll see a new box right above the Publish box. That is for our Medium settings. And when we create a new post, this will automatically get published to Medium as well as our WordPress blog. Okay, so we'll create this new post and we'll click Publish. And now it's published both successfully on our WordPress blog, which we'll see here, and our Medium blog. So here's the link for my publication. We'll refresh that and we'll see that we now have a brand new Medium post published from our WordPress site. So that's one-way synchronization. I really enjoy using the Medium editor. I think it's very nice. It's easy to use. And when I'm writing on Medium, that's my preferred method of posting. So how do I post to Medium but make sure it gets synced back to my blog? We can use the Syndication plugin that we installed earlier. So I'm going to click Syndication. So once we get to the Syndication page, you can see that we have a fairly blank area with lots of options. For simplicity's sake, we're not going to walk through these. I'm going to point out the new source area over here, where it's asking for a website or feed URI. That's where we're going to put our Medium feed URL. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to reference the link that I pointed out earlier. Since this is a publication with a Medium domain, our RSS feed will be in this format: medium.com/feed/ the name of the publication. So I'll go to my publication. I will put feed in between Medium and WP in 1 month. And I'll hit enter just to make sure that this is in fact an RSS feed, which it is. So we'll copy that. And I will paste it into the new source area. Now that it's added, we can use this feed. And it hasn't been updated yet. So I'm going to click Update Now. And what this should do is pull in all of the posts from my Medium publication as new posts on my blog. Okay, and you can see that we now have the posts that were posted on my publication. So if we go back here, we'll see these 4 posts, and we see these 4 posts. Now, one thing to point out is that we do have a repeat of the post that we just created. Don't fear, because with the Syndication plugin now activated and the Medium plugin both working together, we're not going to run into this issue anymore where you're getting duplicate posts or you're syncing the same post back and forth multiple times. So what we will just do is we will trash the Medium post. And now we're good to go here on our blog. And we are good to go on our Medium site. So there you have it. That is how you create a two-way sync between your Medium blog and your WordPress website. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, head over to wpin1month.com for more. If you only have a Medium blog and you're itching to set up a WordPress blog, I have a brand new course out called Creating a Blog with WordPress. So you can take that, sign up. It's a great course. It's about 20 modules and you'll learn a whole lot. Everything from setting up a domain and hosting to making money with your blog. So thanks for watching and have a great day.